Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So very quickly in this video I want to show you how you can add other people to your Facebook account. So for instance, you want to add someone to your account, you want someone to do something for you on your Facebook account, you want someone to manage your Facebook account for you, you want someone to manage your social media on Facebook for you. This is one of the ways you can add them on Facebook. So it's very easy. So first thing you do, come to business.facebook.com. Once you come to business.facebook.com, sometimes it will bring you to this page. So when you're on this page, all you want to do is to navigate to the business manager part of your business. This is the Meta Business Suite. What we want to do is not available here. So what we want to do now is to navigate to the Meta Business Suite, or the business the business manager. So come to all tools. When you come to all tools, come to just pick any of these options. So most times I always prefer to pick event manager. So once I get on event manager, it will allow me access to be able to get to the business manager part where I'm intending to get to. So I'm already in the event. So come here, click on all tools here. You can see these three arrows. Click on all tools and you will see business settings. So this is where I'm coming to business settings. So once you click on business settings, I'm going to load up and show you all the different settings that are available for in your business manager actually. All right, so for instance, in this particular account, I have only one person has access to work on this account. So I'm going to be showing you how to send a request to somebody, or how to add the person automatically into the account. So this video is going to be as informative as possible, so just work with me. So the first way to add people to your account is using this people option, these people. So the first thing you can do is you can come here to add this second column here, click on add. Also click on add the person's email. So every email, every business manager has a unique email. If you have created a business manager for yourself, then there was an email address that you inputted when creating the business manager. So that's the same email address you're going to be inserting here. So for me, the account I want to add is this 02@gmail. Is that correct? Okay, gmail.com. So once you do that, I select the account. See what I did? Once it showed up, I clicked on it. If it doesn't show up like this, then you have not added it. So it has shown up like this, and you verify, make sure it's okay. I think the account is okay. So now, depending on the kind of access you want to give to the person, so the person will have limited access if you are giving an employee access. But if for instance, if I want to work for somebody on the account, I always prefer to have an admin access. Admin access will give you full ability to work on the account, depending on what the person wants to do actually. So if you are giving the person an employee access, then the person will be able to perform few and specific tasks. So for instance, this account, I want to give it full access, that is an admin access. So the person will have full control of the business. They can edit settings, they can edit people, account and tool. So you click on next once you do that. So the next thing you'll be doing is that you come to new pages experience. So once you come to new pages experience, your page should show up here if you have a page, but most times your page won't show up. So you come to classic pages. So the classic pages, you'll see your Facebook account, your Facebook page rather, to show up. Then you click here and activate all the necessary buttons. Most times it's not necessary you see view earning inside, necessary, but I'll be giving that permission for this particular account. Once I'm done, you come to add account as well, depending on the permission. Also, for instance, if I need the person to work on just my ad account, I'll just give the person access to the ad account and toggle on the details I want and just click on invite. That's all. But if you want the person to have access to the ad account and not the pages, then I will untoggle the pages. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So depending on what you want the person to do, that will determine the kind of access you give to the person. So for instance, now if you have access to the Instagram account, you can do as well. I want this account to have access to the Instagram account, and I don't have a pixel setup. So if you have a pixel setup on the account, you would be able to give access to the pixel to the person. So all the different data you have here, all different assets you have in your particular account, you can give someone access to it. So once you are done the exact detail you want to give to the exact asset you want the person to have access to, then you click on invite. So very quickly now, okay, as the invitation has been sent, and immediately you will see this show up. This is telling you that this particular account is pending. The person has already been added, but the person is yet to receive the invitation. Okay, so very quickly, let me go. The invitation will be sent to the email address. So let me have access to the email. All right, here we are now. So what I want to do now, oh sorry, I checked the wrong one. All right, so I have access to the account now. You can see that this is the Facebook account that I sent the invitation to, the email address. So the email address that I sent the invitation to. So you can see that this is the message I got from Facebook. So all you need to do is click on the Facebook and click on get started. So what you must make sure you do is that the particular account I want to accept, okay, well, this is for you receiving now. So if you are receiving, you must make sure that you are logged into the particular account you want to use to receive the invitation. So you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you open up to a new tab. So on the new tab it's opening up in, you type in your name here, click on continue. You type in on continue if this information are correct. So if you are logged into the account, you see it will show the account you are logged in on to. So this is the account I want to log into. So I'm correct. So all I need to do is accept the invitation, put in the password, and then submit. It's that simple. It's that simple. So once I'm done now, I would it will load up. You wait for it to load up. It should load up and lead you to another page entirely. So let's wait for it to load up so that it will load up to a different page. So that will confirm if the request has been completely accepted or it is still pending. So once the person accepts the admin request, you see this will no longer be pending and it will show up as a user. It's showing this badge because it's a business admin. I hope you get it. So I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has been very helpful, kindly smash the subscription button, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and expect new video that will help you solve and fix all your art problem. Thank you.